We're in Port Aransas, Texas, little near Corpus Christi, Texas, and we're parked right on the beach. Port Aransas, Texas is a little town, kind of a beach town. It was really nice. We've been here 3 days. The way this works is you can get a permit at the IGA, which is a local grocery store, or the city hall, and it costs $12, and it allows you to park for 3 days overnight. Three overnight stays within a 21-day period, and that's good for the entire season, for the whole year, in fact. And you also need that permit to drive up and down the beach with your car, which a lot of people do. This is the Port Aransas Beach Road that we're parked on. I'll give you a little shot of the road here. It's really quiet today. It's a Monday. There's not a lot of people out here. The weekend, it was the Thanksgiving Day weekend. There were quite a few people here. There's a golf cart people that run up and down this road all the time. You can see down here we got a bunch of ships coming into Port Aransas. They have garbage cans here that they allow you to put your trash in from your camper. There's no services, there's no water, there's no sewer. I guess you could get a guy to come in here and pump out your tanks. We saw a couple of that happening, but since it's a 3-day limit, not a lot of that is happening. So we had a really good time here. The weather's been beautiful. As you can see, the rig right here is parked. I mean, we are on the beach. I'm walking on the beach right now. There were a lot of dogs here, a lot of people taking their dogs out for a walk, and it's just a nice little spot in Texas, a good boondocking spot. And there aren't a lot of people here. It was really quiet. You know, you're always worried about safety concerns when you're boondocking, but there's a beach patrol going up and down, and police, and just folks walking around. So it was nice. We had a really good time here. We're on our way now to Kerrville, Texas, about a 200-mile ride, and we got a couple of nights there, and that's about it. So that's it from I was going to say La Alameda. I don't know why. That's it for Port Aransas, Texas.
Leaving the beach where we've been parked for 3 days. We just wanted to give you a feel for the road here. This is an actual street. It's called Port Aransas Beach Road, and this is where you park. We were at mile marker 11.
No.
Yeah.
Beach marker 11.
Beach marker 11. Yeah, this isn't a mile between the markers.
I wanted to show the turning off of the beach, because that's important.
Okay.
So people, especially if you're camping and you're worried about, you know, what kind of a road do I have to go down to get to this thing? That's pretty easy, I think.
Very smooth, very large turnaround, no problems with the rig.
I've had worse campgrounds.
Much worse campgrounds. So now we're heading into the town. This is on an island. There's a ferry on one end that you can get to the island on, and then there's a bridge on the other end. So we're taking the bridge. We're not sure if our camper with the toad would fit on the ferry, so we just thought it'd be easier to take the bridge.
It's kind of a typical beach town off season.
Yep. The kind we like. It's quiet. People are very friendly, and it's not full of crowds. The beach was basically empty. Here they're just doing some rebuilding of houses after the hurricane. Lots of Airbnbs here, so if you don't have a camper and you want to come stay in an Airbnb, there's a lot of opportunities for that too. Okay, so now we're back on the main highway. It's Highway 361. I think it's a county road. This is how we came in. The beach is to the left there. And then this is the access road that we came in on. It's Beach Access Road 1A. Turn on that and that'll take you right down to the beach.
That's it for our Port Aransas beach video. We spent 3 days on the beach. We really enjoyed it. We actually got to meet up with some family that came down from Houston. So that was fun. So that's it for the video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please consider subscribing. We got a lot more videos coming. So we'll see you up and down the road.